If you can hang a picture, you can hang your panel tracks in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All panel tracks have the same basic parts: the track, panels, and hardware. Today, I'm installing an inside mount panel track with an optional cornice. Depending on the blinds you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different. That's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. If you're not installing a cornice, measure and place marks 2 to 4 inches from the sides of the window frame. This will be where your outside brackets go. Any additional brackets should be spaced evenly between the 2 outside ones. If you are hanging a cornice, it will come with pre-drilled holes. Hold the cornice to the top of the window and set it back until it's flush with the wall. Use a pen or drill bit to mark where the screws will go. Pre-drill the holes at your marks. Reset the cornice in the window with the holes lined up and screw the brackets into place, starting with the middle bracket. You will need to screw both the cornice and the brackets into place at the same time. Depending on the width of your blind, you may need an additional set of hands for this part. Next, clip the track into place. To do so, you'll need to place the front of the track into the front groove of the bracket, then tilt the back upwards until it clips into the back of the bracket. Next, you'll need to attach the panels. Remove the paper bands from each panel first. Unclip the backmost panel hanger from the track by lifting and pulling the top toward you. Once removed, attach a panel evenly to the velcro strip, then hang it back onto the track. Repeat this until you've attached all the panels, moving from back to front. Now it's time to attach the wand. Locate the small plastic ring on the back of the frontmost panel. Carefully clip the metal hook of the wand onto the plastic ring. And that's it! Now gently push and pull the blinds side to side to make sure everything looks and works right. If you need to remove your blinds, unhook the wand and remove the panels from the track. Then use a flathead screwdriver to gently unclip the headrail from the brackets. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new panel tracks from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.